Good day, everyone. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to a plant that's not only a delight for the garden, but also a wonder for health. Calendula, also known as Calendula officinalis. This cheerful and vibrant flower has a lot more to offer than just its good looks. Calendula, with its bright orange and yellow blooms, is more than just a pretty face in your garden. Known for its anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties, calendula has been a trusted friend in herbal medicine for centuries. Whether you're dealing with skin conditions, healing wounds, or soothing digestive issues, this little flower packs a punch in the health department. To keep your calendula happy, regular watering is key. Make sure to keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. It thrives best in well-drained, fertile soil with a pH between 6.0 and 7.0. And don't forget, this sunshine-loving plant needs plenty of sunlight to flourish. Plant it where it can soak up the rays for at least 6 hours a day. Best time to plant calendula is in the spring and fall. Throughout the growing season, you can harvest the flowers as needed. Just imagine a garden full of these beautiful blooms ready to be picked and used whenever you need them. Medicinally, calendula is a real multitasker. It's commonly used in creams and ointments to treat cuts, scrapes, and minor burns thanks to its healing property. It can also be made into a soothing tea that aids in digestion and alleviates stomach cramp. Plus, its anti-inflammatory properties make it a great natural remedy for skin conditions like eczema and dermatitis. So, if you're looking for a plant that's as hardworking as it is beautiful, calendula is your go-to. Brighten your garden and heal naturally. Introduce calendula, your garden's golden treasure.
Well, this is SMF, a botanist dedicated to educating about the medicinal benefits of plants. Please subscribe to Botanics by SMF and press the bell icon to stay updated. Let's join the leafy adventure together.